Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best hairdryer in its category, the Shrate Professional High-Speed Ionic Hair Dryer. If you're after ultra-fast drying, Ionic technology for frizz-free shine, and a whisper-quiet experience, this one's built to impress. The Shrate hairdryer in a classy gray finish looks like a premium gadget you'd be proud to leave on your vanity. But don't let the minimalist look fool you. This dryer is all about performance. Under the hood is a beast of a motor, spinning at 160,000 RPM. That's right, 160,000 revolutions per minute. This high-speed brushless motor generates airflow up to 36 meters per second, which means you're not waiting around forever to get your hair dry. In fact, if you have short hair, you're looking at a drying time of just 1 minute. It's a game changer for hectic mornings or quick turnarounds. But what really sets the Shrate apart is its commitment to hair health. It's equipped with 500 million negative ions. Yes, 500 million. This level of ionic technology helps eliminate frizz, seals in moisture, and adds a natural-looking shine to your hair. You're not just drying your hair, you're nourishing it while you do. Hair comes out softer, shinier, and visibly less damaged, even with regular use. Let's talk usability. This dryer is super lightweight, only 0.89 pounds. It's designed ergonomically, so whether you're styling your own hair or someone else's, you won't get that arm fatigue midway through. Despite the high-speed motor, it keeps things incredibly quiet. Shrate has packed in 10 layers of noise reduction tech, keeping the sound down to just 51 decibels. That's lower than your average conversation. So whether you're drying your hair early in the morning or late at night, you won't disturb anyone in your household. Safety and control haven't been overlooked either. The Shrate dryer uses intelligent heat control, monitoring temperature up to 110 times per second. That's not just impressive, it's essential. It ensures consistent heat without overheating or damaging your hair or scalp. It simulates a natural airflow to help protect delicate strands and preserve the integrity of your hair over time. And when it comes to styling, you've got flexibility built in. The dryer offers 2 speed levels and dual heat settings. Whether you need a gentle warm air for delicate styling or high heat for quick drying, this dryer adapts to your needs. It even features a cool shop button to lock in styles and add that extra bit of polish and shine. And of course, it comes with a magnetic diffuser attachment. Easy to snap on, making it perfect for those with curly or wavy hair looking to define texture without heat damage. To wrap it up, the Shrate Professional High-Speed Ionic Hair Dryer combines salon-level performance with intelligent design. It's fast, it's quiet, and it takes the health of your hair seriously. From powerful drying to frizz control and a lightweight build, it checks every box for home use, travel, and even professional environments. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know what product you want us to tackle next. Until then, stay styled and stay smart.